Hi everyone, I'm Jill Swartz with ZEO Scientifics. I'm the Chief Product Officer and I'm here with Dr. Carolyn DeLucia.
Hello everybody. Hi
Yeah,
Jill.
so we just wrapped our ZEO Hair Grow by Exotropin clinical trial. Dr. DeLucia's office was part of a 60-day cohort, and we did have some that were a 90-day, but we just wrapped up our last patients. This is 6 months, right? We started in January, so we're the end of 5 months. And not only is she a principal investigator, but she's also one of the patients in the trial. So super excited to have you share not just your experience too, but your patient's experience and how excited you are about implementing this new product. So
I love the simplicity of it, yes, yet the complexity of it. And I loved when you introduced it to me that you explained that it was 3 in 3, generally speaking. And there are 3 different components. You use it for 3 months, and it is spectacular because it's very unique to market, having 3 sources of exosomes within one box. So the components have exosomes from adipose, amnion, and plant.
Yes.
And working together, made by genius scientists, being able to target different phases of hair growth. So you can either microneedle it or use an ultrasound device to get it into the skin. And once it's at the hair follicle state, it stimulates growth. So being a 63-year-old woman, I felt like my hair was thinning terribly, and I was embarrassed. For 2 years, I wouldn't pull my hair back. I wouldn't wear it part back because of fear of showing some of the hair loss. But
and let me just ask you too, some of that hair loss, because it's so complex, hair loss is. And Carolyn's was COVID generated.
Yes.
We're seeing a lot more hair loss with these GLP-1 diets out on the market. So there's lots of reasons for hair loss. So tell us about your experience actually with the growth here and what the patient's experience.
So it's been a wonderful experience. My hair grew back enough where I had my confidence back. And that's huge. Huge. And feeling if I had to go out to the gym and pull my hair back, I wouldn't be embarrassed and try to hide. And my patients had the similar experience. I will tell you that the men were seeing a great improvement again in their temples, in their crown, where one gentleman literally saw his crown refill in pretty significantly and unexpectedly. In someone who has an actual shiny head from their long-term hair loss, I didn't expect to see that much regrowth.
In 60 days, too.
In
Only 2
60 days, correct.
So,
Truly remarkable product.
Yeah.
So I can't wait for it to come to market more and allow me using it with all of my clients, not just our study clients.
Yeah. So there's lots to shake out. The trial will have the data to be able to publish very soon. And really, we were just we understand the components, the biologics involved here are in of themselves all really, really effective at hair growth, but this combination, as you said, the synergistic approach is super proving to be super powerful.
That's right.
So you can learn more at zeohairgrow.com, and of course, if you're in the New Jersey area, you can learn more here at the Secret Orchid.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Bye.